Under plane geometry, we are going to study various shapes, how to find their area and perimeter. Now we have a rectangle. This is our rectangle. This side is longer than that side. That is why we call it a rectangle. And this angle here, this other angle there, that angle and that angle are 90 degrees. So a rectangle looks like this. It has faces like that. So it has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and at the bottom 6 faces. Now we have another shape here. This one is a square. When you look at it, this side and this side are the same, so it is a square. But if we remove that piece from there and we place it there like that, the figure looks distorted, and that is what the figure is known as a rhombus. A rhombus is made from a square. When you get the middle here, for example, from that part to this part here, the middle is here, and then you cut it that way, this shape here, replace it here, you get a rhombus. And then the area of a rhombus is length times height. That is how a rhombus is generated. Our next shape, we have a rectangle. A rectangle. This side is longer than this side. So when we remove a portion from the middle here, a rectangle, we remove this portion from here and then we replace it here, it becomes a parallelogram. It becomes a parallelogram. This side and this other sides are parallel. This side and this side are parallel, while this side and this side are parallel. This is perpendicular to this base here. So the area of a parallelogram is the same as base times height. And yet we have another figure here. This one is called a triangle. It is a 3-sided figure like that. So the length from this part to this part is the base, and the length from this part to that part is the height. So the formula for the area of a triangle is a half times base here times height. We have yet another shape. Looks cylindrical. Since we are talking about plane figures, this is the shape of a circle. The distance from this point circumference here to the center here is called the radius, and the distance from this circumference through the middle to this other end is called the diameter. So if we cut here, this upper part and the lower part are the same. So this is a circle. To find the area of a circle is a constant pi multiplied by r squared. So it is pi r squared. We have yet another triangle. It's a right angle at this. There's a difference between this one. This one, its right angle is right there. But this other one, its right angle at this point. So we have the base here and the height there. So to find the area of a triangle, right angled triangle, is a half multiplied by the base multiplied by the height. In books, these figures, for example, this triangle, they are normally traced like that, that way. So this one is our right angle. A circle also, can put it there like that, and then we trace its shape, becomes a circle. This other triangle here, trace its shape like that. So pictorially they are represented like that. This is 2-dimension. But when you have a triangle like this one, it's in 3-dimension because it has volume when you look at it like that. So you calculate this area multiplied by this thickness to get the volume. That was an introduction to various shapes. We shall move on to finding the specifics, the areas, the perimeters with examples. Thank you.